Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy Venom, and I just got a new keyboard. So that's my old keyboard over there. That's the Cooler Master CK552, I believe the name is. And this is my new keyboard. This is how it arrived. It's by Epomaker, but I believe Skylong is like the original manufacturer of these keyboards. So this is the Gk68xs, and I got mine with switches and keycaps included because I wanted to start using right away. I will be getting some new switches in the future, and I'm probably going to even end up lubing the switches that came in this. But for right now, let's get unboxing. Hey guys, Future Venom here. Turns out I forgot to record the second half of the unboxing. So, since everything is already unboxed, I'm just going to show you what I got out of those boxes. So first up, we got some Mac keycaps. So these are like the Mac versions that you normally get on a Mac keyboard, because this keyboard is in fact wireless and it does support multiple platforms. I cannot English today. Yeah, it supports multiple platforms. That would include Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Linux apparently. So those are the Mac keys. I also got this really nice budget USB cable. It's a USB type C to type A. So the type C end goes into the keyboard. We also got some spare key switches because yeah, this board is actually hot swap. And that means I can take out the switches and replace them with new ones without any soldering necessary. So I can just yank out the old switches and put in some new ones when I feel like it. So I got the Gateron Blacks. So these are just some replacement black switches. But I might do some other switches in the future. And put those there. One other thing that I got was the split spacebar module. So I can take out the original spacebar and have that one key become 3 different keys. So I can reprogram them to be pretty much anything I want them to be. But we'll see if I actually end up testing that out. We also get one key switch puller. So the key switch puller is for taking out those hot swap switches. So you just pinch them and yank them out. One more thing. We also got a set of, well, we got this key cap puller. So we use this to take off the key caps from the keyboard. So that's just like these extra keys right here. You can use these to pull them off the board. But I don't like using these little plastic ones because they tend to scratch the keys because they're so tight. And lastly, we have the actual split spacebar keys. So that's these guys right here. That might be a little bit too bright. All right, there we go. So these split spacebar keys, if you're using the split spacebar module, they work together. But I don't know if I'll be running them. So for now, right now, this is everything you get in the box. 1 split spacebar module, 3 split spacebar keys, 1 keycap puller, 1 key switch puller, 3 extra switches, some Mac optional keys, and a braided USB-C cable. So all in all, for a budget board that's just over $100, this is not bad. And last but not least, we get the keyboard. Let me just bring her in. And this, my friends, in all her RGB glory, is the Epomaker Gk68xs. The X stands for hot swap and the S stands for Bluetooth or wireless. So this is a 65% hot swap RGB enabled wireless keyboard. Say that 10 times fast. And it is really a really nice looking keyboard. It has four plastic feet on the bottom, well, four rubber feet on the bottom, along with the Skylong logo and some product serial numbers and stuff. And here's the, that's the business end. This is the end you look at when you want all that glory, all that RGB glory. So here we have just a standard 65% layout. And up on top, we have our USB-C port on the left-hand side. And then all around, it's pretty blank. It's a blank slate. It's pretty much whatever you want to make it at this point. So I'll probably be doing some builds on this in the future, but for right now, I'm just gonna chill with it for a couple days, maybe a week or so, and test it out. I want to get a feel for it, probably put on a review and my thoughts on this keyboard, because this is my first major dive into the keyboard community. This is my first custom keyboard, my first hot swappable keyboard, the first thing I've had with well, not the first mechanical switch keyboard I've had, but the first 60% I've had, definitely 65. And I want to do it some justice. I'm not going to just leave her like this. So we're going to get some keycaps, we're going to get some switches, we're going to make it nice. We're going to lube up some stuff, take your minds out the gutter, and we're going to have a grand time. So stay tuned and get subscribed for that part, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, you guys are waiting on a sound test, aren't you? All right, I got you.